this video, I'll show you how to do sitemap in WordPress. So what you need to do, this is currently our WordPress dashboard. So if you love to do this, you want to check if your site is in good hands or if your site is good. So you're going to click on this tool. You're going to be able to see site health. So I'm going to click on it. So yeah, this is going to come out. So your site is in good hands. No need to stress about. So read all this. So our site is cool. So you're going to be able to copy from this WP, copy it down to this. Once you've copied it, you're going to be able to type in this at the back. This sitemap dot, just type it. So it used to like I've not like bought a domain in this site, that is why it's not showing up. But if everything is well from your own end, you're going to be able to see the list of posts you have posted in your site, and like you're going to be able to see the dates and the full infos of all of them. So remember to do this. Once you have copied this from your site, at first make sure your site is in good condition, and then you're going to be able to add this at the back of this WP and this. So once you're done, you're going to be able to see the full details. So if you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.